delicious little dip that Lucy has for us today. Again, this is Lucy Greer with Greer's Markets. And what are you cooking for us today, Lucy?
So we were just talking about holiday parties, and this is something that you can make in really quickly, and we're doing our cranberry goat cheese ball. I love cheese balls. Spira's grandmother made the best cheese ball. I've done it on here before, and it's olives and different things. So this is inspired by her cheese ball, just different flavors. So simple. I just have in this bowl 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of goat cheese. And the cream cheese, you know, kind of cuts the goat cheese, because a lot of people aren't goat cheese fans, but it's not too overwhelming. And we're just gonna add a few things to it. I have half a cup of dried cranberries that I just chopped up, and I have 2 green onions that I thinly sliced, and then this is a tablespoon of fresh thyme. But if you don't have that, you could just use dried thyme. You just use about a teaspoon instead of a tablespoon.
I like that you kind of have some Christmas colors.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
So you got some vibrancy to it, some funness, and we were even talking earlier, I liked how she was doing the thyme off of the stems, because she was having to take off each little one.
Yes, that's.
You had a little trick for it.
Yes, I'll show you. So it comes, you know, like this. So there's, you know, some have a lot of stems coming off of it, and some are kind of singular. So if you just take your fingers and pull backwards, then all the leaves kind of come off, and then if some are straggling, then you can just kind of go back and pick it. So it's either a stressful little task or a relaxing little task. The last thing I'm going to add on the inside right now, I'm going to do some lemon zest, and then we're just going to add a few little spices before we mix it all up too.
Awesome. And also what we were talking about while they were doing their headlines is things that we're doing for the holiday season. And I know that I have a lot of parties coming up, and everyone's like, oh, bring an appetizer, dessert. So this just seems like something really simple to do for that.
Yes, it's so easy. And on our website, greers.com, I have tons of appetizer recipes and desserts. If sometimes you just need a little inspiration or something to do. And I always like to share easy things, so people, you know, you don't have to be overwhelmed or stressed in the kitchen. You can always put together something with a few ingredients that doesn't take a lot of time, and you know that everybody will be happy with it. So I'm gonna get that going, and then I forgot to get my spices out here, so I'll do that next time.
We'll do that next time. So awesome. So we're gonna finish up this goat cheese cranberry ball, and I'm excited to see the end results of that. But we'll have all those details coming back up soon. Chelsea.
Lots of fun stuff coming to downtown Mobile. Lots of excitement there. We are in the kitchen with Lucy from Greer's. Tell us what you're working on today, Lucy.
We are doing our cranberry goat cheese ball, and this is perfect if you have to take something to a party. It's super simple to put together. So in this bowl, we started with 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of goat cheese, and we added half a cup of dried cranberries. I just chopped those up, and we have 2 green onions, some fresh thyme, and some lemon zest. And so now I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and just a pinch of garlic powder and some cayenne pepper.
Oh, a little bit of heat there with the cayenne pepper.
Yes. So I'm just going to mix this up, and then I have a piece of saran wrap laid out, and once it comes together, I'm going to put it in there, and it's soft, of course, so we can mix it up, and I'm going to form it the best I can into a ball, or of course you could do, you know, whatever shape you want. And you could typically just put it in the refrigerator, but since we're here, I'm going to pop it in the freezer, so that way we can roll it in our sliced almonds a little bit later.
That sounds great. So tell us a little bit about all the stuff that's going on with Greer's with the holiday season. We just saw you're the sponsor of that movie event that's coming up, and lots of different things like that.
Yes, we love to support the Sanger. They're such a lot of fun, and it's just amazing, all the acts and shows and events that they put on down there. So I know we're a few weeks off from Christmas, but we will be closed on Christmas Day. And a lot of people, of course, will be kind of last minute Christmas shopping, so you could definitely go ahead and get your groceries early. That might be a good idea, and then you don't have to worry about it. But we had a great Thanksgiving. It was, you know, wonderful. Like I said, we always just enjoy the holidays at the stores because we're just a family business, and we just enjoy all the families that come in, and it's just not only do we celebrate, you know, with our own families, but our customers are our family too. So it's just a happy time for us anytime during the holidays.
How's the, are people renting the downtown rooftop space for things?
Oh yes, they are. They were I'm not sure if our calendar is booked up, but yes, we have so many holiday parties booked. And so yes, if you are looking to do a lunch or a party or something for your office or just for your friends, definitely call down there. Shelby handles all of our catering and coordination down there, and she does an awesome job. And so it's definitely a great time of year. We have heaters on the roof, and you know, and you can do stuff downstairs too. And we have music on Friday night. So if you haven't been downtown to our new store yet, definitely hop down there, and you know, and then you can do some shopping downtown. A lot of great shops down there. So like you said, downtown is hopping.
All right. So if you missed it here, she's putting this together, and she didn't really form it into a shape until she got it in there, and then it made it a lot more easier to keep the form together.
So I'm going to pop this in the freezer, and it's going to firm up for us, and then we're going to put our sliced almonds on it.
All right. Sounds like a plan. Lucy's Cranberry Goat Cheese Ball right here on Studio 10. Chelsea.
Welcome back to Studio 10. We are live with Lucy. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You are making something perfect for a holiday appetizer.
Yes, it was so simple. So we're at our last step. It is our cranberry goat cheese ball.
Yeah.
And so we mixed up in a bowl just with our hand mixer some softened cream cheese and goat cheese, and some dried cranberries, some lemon zest, a couple green onions, some fresh thyme, and just a little bit of salt and a little bit of cayenne pepper and garlic powder. So then I just had a sheet of saran wrap out, and we put it on there, and then I just popped it in the freezer so it could firm up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then once you get, or you could of course do it in the refrigerator. I was just trying to do it quickly. And then you can just, you know, form it again while it's still in the saran wrap, whatever shape you want. You know, I'm just doing a ball.
Yeah.
And then you can roll it in anything you want. You could do chopped pistachios is really pretty. I've done that before. I'm using sliced almonds today. You can do walnuts. They can be chopped, sliced, whatever.
Yeah.
So then you just put it in here and you roll it around.
Easy peasy.
Yes.
If you are a Studio 10 viewer, our producer Danielle, we love you, Danielle. She made the turkey cheese ball. A turkey cheese ball. It was before it was supposed to look like a turkey. And
oh, cute.
It did look like a turkey. It was a little sad, but she did it over Thanksgiving. I wish we'll have to show you a photo of it tomorrow.
I'd like to see that too.
She said it's on it's Studio 10 Instagram, and her actual Thanksgiving one was really good. She said she put too much sour cream in it.
Oh no! So was it
kind
like
of
loose?
slowly
Yeah. I'm not creative in that way. There's no way I could make anything look like anything, and I don't have the patience. So
Same.
Go Danielle.
Yeah, go
Danielle. Not me. So you just put it on there, and then of course this is great to make ahead.
Right.
You can put this, you know, in the fridge. It'll last for days before, you know, if you want to get it ahead of your party, and then just serve whatever crackers you like. So very festive and very easy.
How much cheese did you actually use in this?
So I used 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then I used 4 ounces of goat cheese.
Oh, so a lot of cheese.
So yeah, and then, you know, and it's a good size. I mean, this is great for a party. It's not going to be too much, and you know, then you can just put it on any kind of Christmas. This is my Christmas china. I love.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. I love.
Do you
my
bring
Christmas
it out every Christmas?
It's funny because when I grabbed one off the very top shelf, and then when I got it here, I was like, oh, I haven't even gotten it down yet. So I got to get it down and use it. So.
With all the kids, that's brave.
I'll probably not let them use it.
but it is beautiful. Okay, well, you can visit your local Greer's. You can make this cheese ball. Lucy, very creative, and I'm sure it's delicious too.
Very good.
All right, that's
Thank
coming up. She's
you.
going to be back with us next week for another holiday dish.
Yes.
Joe?